What happens if you find your lost U.S. passport? If you have already submitted Form DS-64 to report your passport lost or stolen, the document is officially and permanently deactivated by the U.S. government. Even if you find it in pristine condition under your couch or in an old coat pocket, it is no longer valid for travel. The State Department immediately shares this data with international security and border databases, meaning that any attempt to use the deactivated passport at an airport or border crossing will likely result in detentions, delays, or confiscation of the document. There is no mechanism to reactivate a passport once it has been reported missing, so you must physically destroy the recovered booklet or mail it to the government for disposal, and then apply for a brand new one in person using Form DS-11. If, on the other hand, you only misplaced your passport and never got around to filing the official loss report, you are in a much simpler position. Because the government has no record of the passport being missing, the document remains fully active and legally valid. You can immediately pack your bags and use it for international travel or identification as if nothing ever happened. However, if you are at all uncertain about whether a report was filed, it is highly recommended to contact the National Passport Information Center to verify the status of your passport number before heading to the airport. Should you need to replace a passport that has been permanently deactivated, you cannot use the simplified mail-in renewal process. Instead, you must treat the situation as if you are applying for the very first time. This involves gathering your proof of citizenship, such as an original birth certificate, alongside a valid government photo ID and a fresh passport photo. You will need to bring these documents, along with the completed Form DS-11 and the required fees, to an official passport acceptance facility like a local post office or county clerk. If you have urgent international travel scheduled in the immediate future, you can pay an additional fee to expedite the processing or secure an emergency appointment at a regional passport agency. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.